A U.S. virtual phone number is a real phone number with a U.S. area code that functions like a regular phone number. But it doesn't require a physical phone line or SIM card. It works through the internet, VoIP, instead. Here are some key points about U.S. virtual phone numbers. Looks like a regular U.S. number. People calling you won't notice a difference compared to calling a normal landline or mobile number. You can choose a local area code to establish a presence in a specific U.S. location. Flexibility. You can receive calls on your virtual number through a mobile app, computer, or forward them to your existing phone number. Benefits. There are several reasons to get a U.S. virtual number, including building trust with U.S. customers, separating business and personal calls, or managing multiple phone lines for a team. U.S. virtual phone numbers are provided by virtual phone number service providers. These companies offer various plans and features, so you can find one that meets your needs. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partners.